In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Live View isn't available right now on Amazon Alexa app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are getting this error on your Amazon Alexa, there are quite a number of steps you can take to connect and to fix this live view error. In the first method, first you want to check and ensure that you are not using any VPN, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. However, if VPN isn't the problem, then you want to go ahead and try to troubleshoot your Amazon Alexa app. To do that, just go to your phone and look for settings option. From settings, scroll down and look for apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for Amazon Alexa, and from here, go down here and tap for stop the app, stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and tap on clear cache and OK, and again clear all data. You also want to go to permissions and make sure that you have granted permissions for this app. So here you want to grant permission, including camera permission, so don't forget that. Make sure it is allowed, and also you want to make sure microphone permission is also allowed, among other permissions. You also want to ensure that you have a stable internet connection for you to get live connection. Once you're done, restart your smartphone, and once this is done, now you should be able to connect live. However, if this does not fix your problem, then you want to check and see if we have any latest version of Amazon Alexa app. From here, update your app to the latest version to fix this. However, if the problem still persists, you want to try and see if you can do the same via web if the app is failing you. For that, using any browser, visit Amazon Alexa website, log in with your account and try to connect live and see if the problem has been fixed. If you are being redirected to the app each and every time, you may want to uninstall the app temporarily before you can install it later. So let me know which of these have solved your issue. However, if you still have a challenge at this point, then the problem might be with Amazon Alexa app servers. For that, you need to try again after some few minutes, and most probably the problem would have been fixed. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.